Sounding the alarm over big house parties held over the holiday break. One of them in Gilbert, where we've learned the homeowners could face charges for this one. For weeks, we've heard the warnings from state officials, but now local school districts also raising concerns about these large gatherings. We get more from ABC 15's Ashley Paredes.
I think that if we want school to be open, if we want, X, Y, and Z to be open, we've got to do some hard work.
Gilbert and Chandler school governing boards facing tough decisions based on the community's commitment to following mitigation strategies.
We can't have kids running around at the park with no masks. We can't have kids going to Fat Cats. We need to stay home and help everybody stay safe so the metrics can go down.
We had a holiday break and we had a house party of how many hundreds of students. And so I don't really think that our community is taking this seriously.
That house party taking place in Gilbert on New Year's Eve, according to the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office. Video showing dozens of people gathered together, ignoring social distancing and disregarding the limitations on large gatherings.
Some of these large group gatherings, particularly in our community, are a slap in the face to our educators. And for people to get on social media and celebrate that, it is absolutely disgusting.
These gatherings, just one reason why Chandler Unified is going virtual for 2 weeks.
The lack of regard for other individuals is very, very concerning.
Gilbert Public Schools echoing those sentiments.
All of these numbers have increased while we haven't been in school.
The governing board ultimately deciding on hybrid learning for the entire month. Still, many questions surrounding the best way to prevent large gatherings remain.
When we have the kids in school less, it's my sincere belief, and I respect that others disagree, it's my sincere belief that we actually contribute to kids being out more, socializing more. It may not be our intention, but that's what happens.
This is not a new problem. The Scottsdale Unified School District calling on community support in October after a COVID-19 outbreak at Chaparral High School, partly due to large gatherings. Will Humble with the Arizona Public Health Association saying it's up to the community to change.
We could put together a great plan and implement it in school, but when the bell rings and they go home, if they blow it all off, it's going to cause a chain of transmission.
The Public Health Association says data from counties earlier this fall shows that spread within the school system was primarily in high schools and highly associated with athletic activities. For many schools, though, those activities are still taking place. I'm Ashley Paredes, ABC 15, Arizona.